why women pull away and how men should respond. Hi guys, let's talk about a classic relationship mystery. She pulls away and you don't know why. Yes, it drives you crazy. 1 minute she's close, texting, laughing. The next, radio silence. Today I'm breaking down why women pull away and exactly how men should respond without freaking out, panicking, or making it worse. Why women pull away. First, let's understand the reasons. Number one, needing space. Women sometimes need emotional or mental space to process feelings. Pulling away is not rejection, it is self-care. 2, feeling overwhelmed. Too much intensity, clinginess, or pressure can push her away. She is signaling, I need a breather. 3, testing emotional security. She may pull back to notice how you handle space and emotional balance. 4, evaluating interest. Women often observe your consistency, patience, and confidence before fully committing. Gentlemen, pulling away is not always bad. It is often a test or signal, signs she's pulling away. Short, delayed responses. Texts are slow or one word. Less physical contacts. Hugs, hand-holding, or casual touches decrease. Less engagement. Conversations feel flat. No curiosity. Avoiding plans. She cancels or postpones without enthusiasm. Avoiding plans. She cancels or postpones without enthusiasm. Recognizing the signs early saves stress, confusion, and panic. Common men's mistakes: panicking, blowing up her phone, sending desperate texts. 2, clinging, trying to force closeness. 3, overanalyzing, imagining worst-case scenarios constantly. 4, ignoring boundaries, refusing to give her space. Gentlemen, the wrong moves make her pull further. The right moves can bring her closer. How men should respond. First, stay calm. Don't panic. Pulling away is often temporary. Your emotional stability is attractive and reassuring. 2, give her space. Respect her need for distance. Avoid sending multiple messages or showing frustration. Look at patterns. Is it a reaction to stress, a test, or disinterest? Adjust your behavior based on context, not panic. 4, maintain your own life. Continue hobbies, friendships, and goals. Confidence and independence are magnetic. 5, communicate calmly when appropriate. Ask open-ended, non-pressuring questions. I noticed you've been distant. Is everything okay? Avoid blame or accusations. Focus on understanding. Guys, patience and composure win fair more than panic and desperation. Humor as a strategy. Humor can help. Light teasing can break tension. Playful comments show confidence and calmness. Never use humor to mock her feelings. It is about lightening the mood, not dismissing her. Used right, humor and patience will bring about emotional pull, not push. Practical examples. She is texting less. You observe delayed replies. Response: maintain your schedule. Text once casually, don't overdo it. 2, she avoids plans. You observe cancellations. Response: remain understanding. Suggest fun plans without pressure. 3, she seems distant in person. Observation: less engagement. Response: give her space. Engage lightly. Be calm and confident. Pattern: from observe to respect, to respond calmly, to maintain confidence. Long-term strategy: consistency matters. Be reliable but not clingy. Observe cues, timing, mood, and energy shifts. Balance space and attention. Too much or too little pushes her away. Emotional intelligence grows over time. Learn, adapt, and stay composed. Guys, this isn't about winning her back immediately. It is about building trust, attraction, and emotional stability. What to avoid: chasing or begging for attention. Overanalyzing every text or action. Ignoring your own life or happiness. Reacting emotionally to distance. Respect, patience, and confidence always outperform panic and desperation. Turning pulling away into attraction. Use her distance as a chance to show calm confidence. Keep communication playful and light when appropriate. Focus on self-improvement, goals, and hobbies. Be consistent, but allow her emotional space. When you respond like a calm, confident man, she notices and often pulls closer naturally. To recap, gentlemen, understand why she pulls away. Space, stress, testing, evaluation. 2. Recognize the signs early. Delayed texts, less engagement, avoidance. 3. Avoid common mistakes. Panic, clinginess, overanalyzing, ignoring boundaries. 4. Respond effectively. Stay calm, give space. 3. Avoid common mistakes. Panic, clinginess, overanalyzing, ignoring boundaries. 4. Respond effectively. Stay calm, give space, maintain your life, communicate thoughtfully. 5. Turn distance into attraction. Patience, humor, and consistency are key. Master these steps and you will handle pullbacks without stress, drama, or panic, turning potential distance into deeper connection. Confidence and patience and emotional intelligence equal to relationship superpower unlocked. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.